Namaskara Bangalore. You are watching Make My Properties Weekly News. New IT city in Bidadi. Big update from Deputy CM. A new IT city is being planned to be developed in Bidadi, located in South Bengaluru. Deputy Chief Minister D.K Shivakumar said that leaders from many countries have come forward to invest billions of dollars in IT city Bangalore.
B-Khata to A-Khata, strict instructions from GBA Chief Commissioner.
GBA Chief Commissioner Maheshwar has instructed officials to thoroughly verify applications submitted for B-Khata to A-Khata conversion and resolve them as per the rules. He also directed that all applications submitted for e-Khata must be processed within the given time limits. There is an issue going on related to providing electricity connections to newly constructed buildings, and even Chief Minister Sidramaya is not exempt from this problem. According to the Supreme Court's order from April this year, all electricity supply companies in Karnataka must provide electricity connections only if building plan approvals and occupancy certificates are submitted. Due to the absence of occupancy certificate, even the CM's house has not been given an electricity connection, said Karnataka Electrical Contractors Union President. These are the real estate updates of this week from Bangalore. See you in the next video with more information. Until then, thank you.